Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Today I am going to prepare potato masala fry, or in Hindi you can call this as aloo dum. So first boil some water. After that wash the potatoes and add those potatoes to the water and add some pinch of salt. Okay, let it boil now. Let the potato be fully boiled. The potatoes are ready now. I remove this from the kettle. Let it be cool. Potatoes is ready. I cutted the boiled potatoes in small pieces. Now to make the aloo dum or potato masala fry, we need green chilies, ginger and onion, garam masala powder, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, red chili powder, salt and some tomato pieces. Okay, now in the kettle add some oil. After that add some cumin seeds, add the garlic, green chilies, add the onions, fry the onions till it turns brown color, light brown color. Okay, fry the onions. Now the onion is ready. Add the tomato slices, add salt. We have already added salt to potato while boiling, so add little salt. Red chili powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, fry this well guys till the tomatoes will done. The tomatoes will get done, add the potato pieces and mix this well. If you want to make this little juicy, then add little water and after 2 minutes remove this. Yes guys, now it's done. Looking beautiful, right? Now take this into a bowl. Okay, if you like the recipe then try, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.